I found this jewelry stand on Etsy for almost $90, but in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own with some very simple materials and some very basic welding skills. Stick around. All right, we have our round bar all cut. We have 6 inches, we have a 10-inch piece, 14 inches, and then you're going to need 3 of these 11-inch pieces. And we're going to get those cleaned up and then also get a couple holes drilled in this. This is going to be our base plate. Figured I'd show this much faster way to get rust off these things. Alright, now we're going to weld up the arms for the jewelry holder. The most important thing is making sure that we maintain 90 degrees between the cross member and the main piece. I don't know what to call it, the stand portion. I marked each of these 11-inch pieces, the center of them. Now we're just going to weld them up. A little tack weld in case we need to move it, change it. Once we're happy with how they look, we'll weld them up all the way. Alright, we got these pieces all cleaned up. Now we're going to attach them to the base. Most important part about this is just keeping them 90 degrees. So we're going to first just tack them on here very loosely. And then we can adjust the angle. I'm gonna get it cleaned up and then she'll be ready for paint. Here she is, all finished and ready for paint. So here she is all finished, and I made a second one. The base is a little different, but same general idea. If projects like this are something you'd like to build yourself, I put together a beginner's welding ebook that walks you through the skills behind projects just like this one. You'll find the link in the description.